This is a video on factoring trinomials with a special emphasis on the first case where you would have a leading coefficient equal to 1. We're asked to factor x squared plus 7x minus 30. There's an invisible 1 in front of the x squared, that's why a is 1 in this case. The b value is 7, and the c value is negative 30. And as a reminder, when we factor trinomials, we want to find a pair of integers that multiplies to be the a times the c value, which in this case a is 1 and c is negative 30. So we want to take 1 and multiply by negative 30. So we want a pair of integers that multiplies to be negative 30. And the other condition is that it has to add to be the b value, which is a 7. So we're going to make a list of all numbers, all pairs of integers that multiply to be a negative 30. For instance, 1 times negative 30 would work. Negative 1 times 30 would work. 2 times negative 15 would work. Negative 2 times positive 15 would work. 3 times negative 10 would work. Negative 3 times positive 10 would work. And then you want to consider if there are any others. Those are the ones that I have thought of. And we're going to work through this list now, and the other condition is that they have to also add to be the b value, which is positive 7. And then we work through our pairs here to see which of those meets that condition. That would not work, that would not work, that would not work, and that would not work. 3 plus negative 10 would be a negative 7. We want a positive 7. Negative 3 plus 10, or 10 minus 3, would be 7. So this is the pair of numbers we're going to use. We're going to use negative 3 and positive 10, which means that our factors have to be x minus 3 and x plus 10. Those need to be the factors. And we can check by foiling, double distributing. First, we're going to take x and multiply by x, and that would be x squared. Outer, x times positive 10, positive 10x. Inner, negative 3 times x, negative 3x. And last, we would have negative 3 times 10, which is negative 30. Combine the like terms here. Since they both have an x to the first power, I can combine them. 10x minus 3x would be a 7x. Bring down the other terms, and you have x squared plus 7x minus 30, which was our original expression. Therefore, we have factored this appropriately.